Do you want to understand real English conversations more easily?
And do you want to improve your English while relaxing?
Today, you'll listen to a fun and natural conversation about shopping and daily life.
Today's lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve English listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today we're talking about shopping, supermarkets, and buying things.
You'll hear real daily English that native speakers use naturally.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, are you ready?
Yes, let's go shopping.
Emily, do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Actually, yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, I think supermarkets are relaxing.
Wow, that's surprising.
Why?
Because I get tired very quickly in supermarkets.
Why?
Too many choices.
That's true.
Yesterday, I spent 10 minutes choosing snacks.
Only snacks?
Yes,
Oh no.
there were too many flavors.
What did you finally buy?
Potato chips.
Classic choice.
What about you? What do you usually buy first?
Usually fruit and vegetables.
Very healthy.
I try my best.
I go directly to the snack section.
I already knew that. What about everyone listening? Do you enjoy shopping?
Or do you want to leave the supermarket quickly like me?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you make a shopping list before going out?
Most of the time, yes.
That's smart.
If I don't make a list, I buy unnecessary things.
Same here.
Really?
Yes.
I go to buy milk and return home with ice cream and cookies.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous for my wallet.
Do you prefer cooking at home or ordering food?
Honestly, ordering food.
I expected that answer.
What food do you usually order?
Pizza, fried chicken, noodles.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking simple meals at home.
That's impressive.
Not really. Sometimes my food tastes terrible too.
No way.
Seriously, last week I added too much chili.
Oh no.
My mouth was on fire.
Poor Emily.
I drink so much water.
That's funny.
What about you guys listening? What's your favorite food?
And do you prefer cooking or ordering food?
Tell us in the comments.
Emily, do you like cafés?
Yes, I love cafes.
Me too.
What do you usually order?
Iced coffee.
Even at night?
Yes.
That explains why you sleep late.
Probably.
I usually order tea or a latte.
Do you work in cafés sometimes?
Yes, I like bringing my laptop and sitting quietly.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
I mostly go to cafés to relax with friends.
That's nice too.
One time, I accidentally spilled coffee on myself.
Seriously?
Yes.
Right in front of everyone.
Oh no.
What did you do?
I pretended nothing happened.
That's impossible.
I know.
What about everyone listening? What's your favorite drink?
Coffee? Tea? Juice?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.